Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a Gaggia Classic. We replaced the steam valve and descaled the machine. This portafilter has a crema enhancer. There we go. Just going to cut the shot a little short here. Nice shot. A bit of steam valve. We'll make some room. We have the steam heater on. Let it heat for a second. It's not leaking. Usually heats up pretty fast. There we go. Some nice, fast, strong steam. Thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.